My Offers. Let us see how can we reach My Offers in Suppliers Hub. For that, you'll have to go to Suppliers Hub and navigate to My Offers on the left hand side menu. Here, you can find the active ads of respective products offered by our vendors. You can filter them via categories and then select the ones that you'd like to move forward with. As mentioned here, chairs and accessories have a 42% off offer. When I click on that, it shows me the list of suppliers and the percentage off they're offering. I can directly click here and see their contact details, or I can click on show more and check out the terms and conditions. In case of knowing more about my supplier, I can click on this button and be navigated to the company profile where all the details of the supplier along with the catalogs are visible. So this is how you can use My Offers for checking out the discounts offered various suppliers on Petpooja and start purchasing. Thank you.